Boxing. It's not just for the ring. From cardiovascular health to mental toughness, the benefits of boxing on the body are undeniable. Let's dive into how boxing affects your body and why it's more than just a sport. Boxing isn't just about throwing punches. It's a full-body workout that gets your heart pumping. First up, the aerobic benefits of boxing. Cardiovascular health. Boxing engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously, boosting your heart rate and improving cardiovascular endurance. By consistently challenging your heart and lungs, boxing can help reduce the risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Boxers incorporate various exercises like jump ropes and circuits to enhance their endurance and agility. Fat loss. Did you know? 1 hour of boxing can torch between 400 to 700 calories. While the scale may not always reflect it, boxing helps build muscle and burn fat, leading to a leaner physique. Improved endurance. Strengthening your heart and lungs allows you to exercise longer without fatigue. Whether it's running a marathon or keeping up with your kids, improved endurance opens up a world of possibilities. Boxing isn't just about speed, it's about strength. Now, let's talk about the muscular effects of boxing. Muscle building and toning. With every punch, you engage a multitude of muscles, making boxing an effective full-body workout. By combining strength training with cardio, boxing helps sculpt a powerful physique. Boxing isn't just about physical toughness, it's about mental resilience. Now, let's explore the mental and emotional benefits of boxing. More confidence. Pushing your limits in the gym translates to increased self-esteem and confidence outside of it. Imagine the feeling of looking in the mirror and loving the reflection staring back at you. Improved coordination. Boxing requires precise hand-eye coordination and focus. As you train, you'll notice improvements in your reflexes and accuracy. Stress relief. Letting off steam in the ring can be a healthy outlet for stress. Physical activity releases endorphins, promoting feelings of happiness and relaxation. In conclusion, boxing offers a holistic approach to health and fitness. From cardiovascular benefits to mental toughness, boxing empowers you to become unstoppable. Together, let's unleash our full potential and become unstoppable. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and inspiration. Until next time, keep punching.